I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make a dried beef pineapple and pecan cheese ball. Let's get started. First we have 2½ ounces of dried beef finely chopped. Use 3 to 4 green onions, and I use a lot because I like a lot of onion. I have 1 package of cream cheese. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of sour cream. So after you mix all of this together really good, you mix in your seasoning. And then you stir it and you chill it in the refrigerator. About an hour is good enough. And you serve it with your favorite chips or crackers, whichever you prefer. It's really good at parties. And it's kind of an infinite. You can do a lot of different things with it. You can, if you don't add the sour cream, you just roll it up and make a cheese ball. And that's a good party thing as well. And you can add all kinds of different things to it. This is our beef and cheese dip. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of pineapple. And make sure you don't use the juice so you can get it as thick, as dense as possible. Okay? Next, I'm going to add in some sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to use about 1/4 cup. And you can always add more depending on how much you like the cheese. And you mix that in as well. Next, I'm going to add in the pecans. So you got to roll it to make a cheese ball. So this is the easiest way for me to do it. So I'm going to take 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and I'm going to spread them in the bottom of this dish with my hand. And because this stuff is so messy, or sticky if you will, it'll pick the nuts up as I roll it along. So and this is where you start to get messy. So there you go. That's how you make a dried beef, pineapple, and pecan cheese ball.